Alright guys, first things first, I want to thank every single person that has subscribed to my channel so far. I'm at 65 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start live streaming on this channel when I travel. But to those people that have subscribed to my channel so far, I'm going to do a small giveaway and you got a good chance of winning because not a lot of people are going to leave a comment down below. So all you got to do to enter this giveaway is comment below your Instagram or your email, somewhere for me to contact you. I'm going to reach out to you. I'm going to have you pick from some sunglasses and I'm going to ship them out to you if you live in the US. And if you have left a comment on one of my videos before, I'm going to give you some priority. So leave a comment here and you got a good chance of winning. Number 2, please continue to give me feedback on the videos. I'm new to making videos, so all this shit is fucking new to me. So please continue to give me feedback, and that's how I'm gonna get better at making videos. And I want to have one of the best travel channels, so your feedback is very important. And let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. Like, I can already tell that you guys love the nightlife videos, which is perfect because when I travel, I love to party. The nightlife to me is up there, so this is like a match made in heaven. But let me know what kind of other content you guys want to see and I'll make it happen. Like, I'll find a happy medium between the content that I want to create and the content that you want to see. And as long as you guys support the channel, I'm gonna give you the videos that you guys want to see. And last but not least, I'm going to be posting some of the videos that I have from my latest trip to Colombia. Like, this is one of them. And I have a couple videos. I have a couple crazy stories. I'm a wild boy. So every time I travel, I got to fucking some crazy stories. And next month, June, I'm going to be going to Dominican Republic. If any of you guys want to go, let me know. I'm Dominican. That's where I'm from. And when I go to the Dominican Republic, that's when I'm actually going to be creating like some real fucking content for this channel. Like, I bought another camera. I have a couple cameras now. I got a GoPro. And I'm going to be actually like vlogging and shit. Like, creating real content for this travel channel. I have never vlogged before, so that's going to be new to me. So you guys going to see me. So you guys are going to see my first vlog ever. And like I said, please continue to give me feedback. So with that being said, let's get into the video. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment in Colombia. I ended up getting 2 bedrooms because my best friend and my girl were coming. I'm going to show you who I got this apartment from, but warning, do not do business with this lady. I'm going to put her information out there so you know to stay away from her because she ended up stealing my money. So the initial price for this apartment was 3.5 million Colombian pesos, which is about 930 USD. I ended up negotiating it down to 3 million Colombian pesos, which is about 800 USD. And she asked me to put down a deposit of 1 million Colombian pesos, which is about 270 USD. I booked this place for a month. I ended up staying for 17 days because I cut my trip short. And all I wanted back was my deposit. She could have rented the apartment right after I left and made some more money. All I wanted back was my deposit. She said she was going to send it to me after I got back to the States. When I got back, I tried contacting her, and she pretty much ghosted me. This was my first time doing business with her, and I met her through this other random girl that I met in Colombia. And I was so pissed, not so much because of the money, but because I hate people like that. I hate people who try to take advantage of other people. And if you have never been to Colombia, this is not a reflection of Colombian people. Colombians are some of the nicest people that I have ever met, but you know how it is. There's always someone who would take advantage. The complex was dope. The pool was nice. The gym was basic. Furniture was basic. Overall, it was pretty cool. This apartment was in a neighborhood called Crespo. That's where the airport is at. Me personally, I will not be staying here again. There wasn't much going on in the neighborhood. I've been to Cartagena 2 times before this, and the 2 times that I've been there, I've stayed in El Laguito. And in El Laguito, there's a lot more going on. Like, throughout the day, the times that I've been there, I'm always meeting people. There's a whole bunch of girls. I'm always meeting people who are traveling, the locals. But here, there wasn't much going on. And I'm going to post a video of me walking around in the neighborhood. But besides that, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video.